video, I am going to be discussing some gardening finance tips. So gardening is an ongoing activity. It is not a one-time thing. So I want you to invest in gardening for a long period of time. So how do you manage the financial resources to keep doing this for a very long time? So now let's take an example. Suppose you have an overall budget of 5,000 rupees for your garden. Do not ever spend it at one go. Never. Whatever is the amount, whatever is your budget for gardening, just divide it into 5 or 6 installments and then spend it per month. So it is great if you can spend 1,000 rupees or even 700 to 800 rupees per month. So on plants and all the gardening requirements which we'll be discussing, and then keep it slow and gradual. Now for beginners, what are the most essential things that you need to spend on? It's the pots or the containers, the soil, the compost, and the plants or the seeds, depending on what you plan to start. All the secondary requirements, or maybe they are not a requirement at all, are your garden decor items. Second is the watering can. The third is like pesticides, and the fourth and the last one is gardening tools. I'm not saying you won't require these at all, but they are not immediate essentials. They are not necessary to buy immediately. So always remember 4 things: containers, soil, compost, and plant or seeds, depends. The next point I want to discuss is, if it is possible, like after this corona phase, the COVID phase, like if you can visit a nursery and buy the plants, that is way better option than buying plants online. Why is that so? The first thing is the plants are a lot cheaper because the cost of transportation and logistics of plant, because it is heavy, it is fragile, is a lot. So it is very expensive to deliver the plants, home deliver. When you get it home delivered, they are very expensive. But if you can manage to go to a local nursery and buy, I think you will end up saving a lot of money. Second, if you are on a budget constraint, do not worry, there will always be something around the house that you can use. Like for pots and containers, if you have some old buckets, paint buckets, you can use these. For herbs and all, for herbs and leafy vegetables, if you have even your old plastic dabbas, you can use that. So it's not very essential that you spend on even pots and containers. For something like grow bags, if you have your old gunny sack, जो घोनी हम कहते हैं जिसमें सामान आता है, if you have that, you can use that. So spend wisely. The goal is to start gardening, okay? Manage your finances wisely so that you can do it over a long period of time.